Welcome back. In this video, we're going to answer a common question: can you share YouTube TV in different houses? And I'll break it down step by step in a simple way. Let's get started. Step 1. Family Group Sharing. Yes, YouTube TV allows you to share your membership through a family group. As the family manager, you can invite up to 5 other members at no extra cost. Each member gets their own personal library and viewing preferences. Step 2. How the family group works. To set it up, you create a family group and invite members to join. But there's an important rule: all members are expected to live in the same household. This is how YouTube TV is designed to manage shared access. Step 3. Sharing membership benefits. Once added, all family members can use YouTube TV features. This includes any extra subscriptions or add-on packages purchased by the family manager. Everyone gets full access based on the main subscription. Step 4. Location requirements. Here's the key point. YouTube TV is built for a single home location. The family manager sets a home area, and members must regularly use YouTube TV from that same location. If users stay in different houses for too long, they may lose access unless the home location is updated. Step 5. Simultaneous streaming. YouTube TV allows up to 3 simultaneous streams at the same time. This works across different devices like phones, computers, and TVs. But remember, even if you use multiple devices, they all count toward the same 3-stream limit. Step 6. Traveling versus different homes. If you're traveling, YouTube TV still works, but your local content may change depending on your location. However, long-term use in different houses can affect access because of location tracking. Final summary. So yes, YouTube TV can be shared through a family group, but all members are expected to stay within the same home location, which makes sharing across different houses limited. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for more clear explanations like this.